Let's talk about Sign. Looks beautiful, yeah? But first I'll show you what everyone likes the most. Let's open CryptoRank. Scroll down, and you can see that Binance is among the investors, along with the other Tier 1 backers. What does it mean? It means we will most likely see the Sign token on Binance. We will most likely see comprehensive support from Binance. And if you are here because of a potential Sign airdrop, this could be a very good sign for you. But it's only my assumption. It's better to move forward to the project's overview and dive into more details about Sign. Let's scroll down and try to understand what we are dealing with. Blockchains are trustless, but we need trust. Sign is connecting your existing credentials to Web3. Bridge your existing credentials on-chain. Log into different apps. It reminds me a bit of Wallet Connect, but it looks like something more large-scale. Now you know who is on the other side of the transaction. With the orange checkmark, I already want to get one for myself. Onboarding billions. Okay, so it's something about binding our identity to Web3. The idea isn't new, but the real questions are in how it's implemented, and of course Binance. We need to start our onboarding process from the Sign Orange Dynasty website. First we need to connect Twitter, authorize the app. My Twitter is connected. Let's click on Sign. Please complete reading the orange print first. Okay, we will do what you ask. Click on the orange print. Here you need to click on every chapter. It's better to read everything because the information is interesting and explains how everything works here. I really read about it. But if you don't want to or don't have time, you can just click on a chapter to mark it as completed. The interesting chapter is the one called How to Farm Sign. They explain here that it's impossible to farm Sign using multiple accounts. They hint that it's better to use one account, and they want to build with us equally, no matter if you are a big or small account. Another interesting chapter is chapter 4, which is called How to Position Yourself. They say we need to set our expectations from thinking what can I do for Sign to how can Sign help me the most. It means you need to think about how you can grow with the help of Sign and its community. They say they will support builders, including content creators. And they ask us to position ourselves socially. By the way, it's said that Sign is still at a very early stage right now. In my opinion, it's very important to be an early user in any crypto project. Now we have come to the SBD explanation, which is the heart of this project. So it's extremely important to understand and implement it in your activity in terms of the Sign project. Sign offers the Soulbound tokens, kind of a badge that represents our contribution to the Orange Dynasty or the Sign community. There are 4 types of SBT, and each SBT will be a target of the Sign airdrop or at TG. Everyone has an equal chance in every round, regardless of time of entry. The first SBT is called Outstanding Content Creator. It's for those who are consistently making an effort to create content in any format and style. Serious Builders is for those who do more than expected and contribute significantly to community development. Another one, Orange in the Veins, is for those who actively participate in community events hosted by community moderators. you can see the username of the moderator who creates those events. Also, you need to attend Twitter Spaces and be active in their Telegram group chat. And the last one is Support Warrior, which is designed for those who show avid support to fellow Orange Dynasty members by supporting and giving genuine feedback on their posts, and by participating in Sign's post activities on X. So you can now think about how to position yourself. For instance, I'll position myself as a content creator. So I'll just continue creating content about Sign. And of course, I can grow with the help of Sign, because if I'm active in the Orange Dynasty, I can get my Soulbound NFT, and it can give me a boost in my growth as a content creator. By the way, also as a common crypto user or investor, because I'll get that orange checkmark and my rating about other crypto users could be higher. Let me show you an example. I created a post about Sign on Twitter. Then let's open my Discord. I'll show you how to start on Discord a bit later. We are in the Sign Tweets channel. Here I added a link to my Twitter post. But if you're a developer and you like to create smart contracts and contribute in a different way, check other channels in Discord. There is a developer channel and a product feedback channel. Discord is the engine of any crypto project. You can open the Start from Here channel, read what you can start with, and read announcements. Get familiar with official links. Try to find a place that is close to you and where you can contribute more effectively. And remember, the main idea of Sign is that you need to think about how Sign can help you develop yourself. Also, the official docs channel could be useful for you. Okay, Discord and Twitter are the places where you can spend all your time, so I don't want to stay here longer than I did before. Let's return to the Orange Dynasty. Measures of eligibility or eligibility criteria. The Sign team analyzes all our tweets and our interactions with Sign on Twitter. Also, the team and community mode will distinguish between genuine human interactions that show one's own devotion to Sign growth and the usual good project LFG type of comments. It's said that SBTs will be distributed in time intervals leading up to TG and after. The community moderator with this username will reach out to us via Twitter DM and ask us for our ton address. Also, we can just buy kind of SBT, but in the form of an NFT on OpenSea. They are quite expensive. You can open one of these links to check. The Sign's NFTs will have the same functions as the SBTs. The outcome is simple: work, contribute, and earn Soulbound tokens, because this is a key to the Sign Airdrop, or at least one of the keys. Another important chapter is bullish resources. Follow Sign and ETH Sign on X, join Sign on Telegram, and of course join Discord. To verify Discord, you need to go to Join Regional Channels, click on this emoji. You will get access to all available channels. If you joined all social links, click Cool. Open the last chapter, click Sign, go over here and click Sign here. Create your signature, then click Confirm, scroll up and click Sign. Now you need to choose your Sign icon. I haven't found whether it affects anything or not, but as you can see, they reflect our positioning inside Web3. By the way, I'll add an image here with an explanation about what each icon means. Serious Builder, Visionary Observer, Bullish Tycoons, and Adventurous Rebels. I'll select this icon, confirm. Are you ready to see signs? Yes. I'm a Visionary Observer. By the way, if you know whether these icons matter, share in the comments. Then we can go back. If you click on Member, you'll see the table I showed you earlier in the image. It's like a statistics page where you can track how many people join Sign. Next, click Quality Time. Choose the person you want to spend quality time with. It says there is no way back. I wasn't able to find an answer about the difference between these persons. That's why I selected the first one. Confirm. Enter your name. Confirm. Now we need to create a name for that person. So type any name. Then click Confirm again. He wants us to find glasses. Just take the glasses from here and put them on his head. If we want to try something else, we'll see a message. Stay tuned, will be unlocked after Sign TG. So we have nothing more to do here. Let's return back. Actually, the last thing we can do on this website is click on SignGlasses Maker. Here you can just upload your avatar, for example your avatar from Twitter or Telegram. Then you can put the glasses on and download your new kind of Sign avatar that you can use on any social network. I think the goal here could be to work hard to get SBT, contribute, and receive some Sign airdrop. As always, I post quick updates with more activities on my social networks, which you'll find in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.